The Art of War. Chapter 6. Weak Points and Strong. Part 2 of 7. The Art of the Vacuum. I quote, "You can be sure of succeeding in your attacks if you only attack places which are undefended. You can ensure the safety of your defense if you only hold positions that cannot be attacked." What does it mean in the modern world? We are socially conditioned to believe that victory requires a bloody, head-on collision against our opponent's greatest strength. Sun Tzu calls this foolish. True strategic brilliance is finding the vacuum, the neglected market, the overlooked detail, the unguarded flank, and walking right in. You don't break through a wall, you find the open door. Now, these are your follow-up actions. Audit your current battles. Are you competing where the market is most saturated or where your opponent is strongest? Pivot. Reallocate your energy toward undefended niches. Take the path of least resistance to achieve maximum impact.
Subscribe for more.